Today I'm going to make some instant noodles with leftover soup, vegetable chicken soup, but all the chicken's gone. I like the soup, so I'm not going to really use the soup, sort of use the soup in here, you'll see. And then I have some Sam's Club chicken. I cut that up right now. What's never going away?
The shirt.
Oh, you got more shirts?
I have to sort.
It's funny. How'd you get more shirts?
This is the other order that they have sent.
Okay, so what does that
They
mean?
sent it, so we need to order them just to deliver this week. Do you remember me having a heater? Sorry.
Yeah, there's a heater. There's a heater in the house somewhere.
Do you remember seeing it? Is it in your closet or my closet?
It might be in your mom's closet or underneath the bed.
Any idea where the monitor is? You seem fine, but you feel hot. I need to put water in there. You raise up your sleeves.
They can just give you what's the latest, the cleanest bills, I guess.
They said they only have $2 bills,
That's not bad.
but I didn't want to take it because we already have $2 bills.
Oh, okay, that's fine. You found it?
Don't ever let the kids go in here. I mean, unless I did that, because I'm gifting the property presents.
Mm-hmm.
Or the presents are in here. I try to hide it as best as I can.
I just need the vegetables in the soup. I was wrong. It's more squash.
I had to waste all your money. Sorry.
Just wasted all my money. I don't know what you mean by that, but you're scaring me. Go ahead.
What happened if you
He wanted some of the noodles. So I gave him some of the noodles. No, I just didn't play noodles. I wanted to dump the water, but I can't. It's soaked into the noodles. It's fine.
better?
It looks not as good as it tastes.
What's that be?
Thumbs up. And the soup's not too bad. I mean, it's sort of healthy. Over and out.